Hi there, I'm Rosie from Thunder Remedies. Recently, we made a video about the differences between avocado oil and olive oil. Did you watch it? Do you know the difference between them? Watch the suggested video to learn more. In today's video, we will talk about the best vegetable oil for cooking. Do you know which one it is? Choosing the right oil for cooking isn't an easy decision. There are dozens of options available, and it is hard to tell which is healthier. Supermarket shelves have everything. Although we have access to lots of information today, we still get confused with all the debates about the benefits and harms of consuming fats. You may think that frying with vegetable oils is healthier than using animal fats, like butter or lard, but is it true? To find out the truth, Professor Martin Grootvelt from the University of Leicester, England, made some tests. He asked participants to cook with oils and fats, like sunflower, corn, canola, and olive oil, as well as butter and lard. Samples of every oil and fat used for cooking were collected and sent to the University of Leicester. There, Professor Grootvelt and his team made a parallel experiment of heating the same oils to high temperatures used for frying. When you fry or cook something at high temperatures, around 356 F, the molecular structures of fats and oils change. What happens is what we call oxidation. The molecules react with the oxygen, forming aldehydes and lipid peroxides. Something similar occurs at room temperature, but it is much slower. When the lipids are decomposed, they oxide. So, what did Grootvelt and his team find out? They found out that oils rich in polyunsaturated lipids, like corn and sunflower oil, create high levels of aldehydes. This result was surprising since many people believe that sunflower oil is healthier than others. For the researchers, sunflower and corn oils are good, as long as you avoid heating them for frying or cooking. Olive and canola oil produce fewer aldehydes, just like lard and butter. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The reason is that these oils are rich in saturated and monounsaturated fatty acids, which are much more stable when submitted to heat. Saturated fats rarely go under the oxidation process. For Grootvelt, the best oil for cooking and frying is olive oil since it has 76% of monounsaturated lipids, 14% saturated, and only 10% polyunsaturated. In this case, it doesn't matter if the olive oil is extra virgin or not. The antioxidant levels found in extra virgin olive oil aren't enough to protect against heat-induced oxidation. So, did you like learning about the best cooking oil for your kitchen? Now that you know about the healthiest oil for your body, we will give you another tip. Store your oil in a dark place and never reuse it since it accumulates bad substances, okay? Thanks for watching our video. See you in our next video.